Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix search by posts option not showing on your Facebook. So first of all, if you don't know what I'm talking about, so let me tell you, if you open Facebook application and type in anything, you won't be seeing any option to search by posts. You only get people, groups, events, pages, and the post option is missing. Unfortunately, there's no way to get this option back on the application, but I can show you a trick with which you can access the post option as well. So what you have to do is go to your home screen, open your web browser, open facebook.com and sign in with your account. And then click on the three-dotted button and click on desktop site. And now the Facebook is opened in the desktop mode on my phone. So what you have to do is click on the search icon, which is on the top, and search for anything. As you can see, there is no option to search by posts. So what you have to do is click on the URL on the top, click on the pencil icon. Here you have to replace events with posts. It's written events because I have selected events. If I select videos and go to the search URL once again, it will be replaced by videos. So what I will do, I will replace videos with POSTS and hit enter. As you can see, I'm now able to search by posts. And that's simply how you can fix the issue of post button is not showing on Facebook. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.